In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and remove a page border in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to add a touch of professionalism or simply jazz up your document, page borders can be a fantastic way to enhance its appearance. Let's dive right in. To start, open your Microsoft Word document where you want to insert the page border. Once your document is open, you'll want to navigate to the Design tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Now, depending on the version of Word you're using, you may see Page Layout instead of Design, but don't worry, both will lead you in the right direction. Next, direct your attention to the Page Background group. Here, you should see an option labeled Page Borders. Go ahead and give that a click. This opens up the Borders and Shading dialog box, which is where the magic happens. Now that we're in the Borders and Shading window, you'll notice a few different settings you can adjust. Under Setting, you can choose between options like Box, Shadow, 3D, or even Custom. Select whichever option best suits your document's needs. Each setting gives a different aesthetic. Box is straightforward, Shadow adds a drop shadow for depth, 3D gives a more pronounced look, and Custom allows for a mix and match approach. After selecting your setting, you'll want to choose your line style under Style. Here, you have a variety of line types from solid and dashed lines to more decorative ones. Pick the style that matches the tone of your document. It's also important to keep in mind the potential readability and formality associated with your chosen style. Once you've selected the style, look at Color. This is where you can add a splash of creativity. Choose a color that complements the content of your page, but be mindful of readability. And don't forget about width. Thicker borders can make a bold statement, but if you're aiming for subtlety, a thinner option might be best. Simply adjust the width to your preference. After you've made all the desired selections, click OK. Now, your page should have a brand new border that enhances its look and feel. If at any point you decide that the page border isn't quite what you want, removing it is just as easy. Head back to the Design tab and click Page Borders again. This will bring you back to the Borders and Shading dialog box. Under Setting, select None. And with one final click on OK, the border will be removed from your page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to both insert and remove a page border in Word. Whether for business or personal use, this simple feature is a great way to make your documents stand out. Thanks for tuning in today.